Welcome back to Moter Vision, the ultimate destination where timeless classics meet the future of automotive innovation. If you love cars that blend heritage with cutting-edge design, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into one of the most unexpected yet thrilling comebacks of recent times, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Buckle up, because this isn't just a trip down memory lane, it's a bold leap into the future with the soul of a classic. For those who remember the original Karmann Ghia, you know it was never about brute power or overwhelming speed. It was about style, elegance, and simplicity. The original model, produced from the 1950s to the 1970s, captured the hearts of design lovers and casual drivers alike. Fast forward to 2025, and Volkswagen has reimagined that spirit in a way that's both respectful of its roots and undeniably futuristic. Let's talk design. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is an absolute showstopper. It carries the DNA of the original with its swooping curves and low-slung stance, but it's sculpted with modern precision. Sleek LED headlights are molded into a fluid front fascia, and the body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, giving it a wind-sculpted aesthetic. It feels like it's moving even when it's parked. The signature coupe shape is still there, but now with refined aerodynamics and subtle enhancements, like retractable door handles and a panoramic glass roof that elevates the entire experience. Underneath that beautiful shell is a fully electric powertrain. That's right, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is Volkswagen's stylish entry into the high-design EV segment. It's powered by a dual-motor setup that delivers instant torque and smooth, silent acceleration. While Volkswagen hasn't positioned this as a high-performance model like the ID for GTX, it still offers plenty of fun behind the wheel. It's zippy, responsive, and handles like a dream thanks to a low center of gravity and a carefully tuned chassis. With an estimated range of over 300 miles on a single charge, it's not just a head-turner, it's practical too. Step inside and you'll see why the interior is just as impressive as the exterior. Volkswagen has done a brilliant job blending vintage cues with modern minimalism. The dashboard is clean and horizontal, featuring a floating touchscreen infotainment system and a fully digital driver display. But what really stands out are the details: brushed aluminum knobs, leather seats with contrast piping, and chrome accents that subtly nod to the original Ghia's legacy. There's even a retro-inspired steering wheel with a modern twist, complete with integrated controls. Space-wise, it's a cozy coupe, but it doesn't feel cramped. The panoramic glass roof opens up the cabin, and the clever layout makes excellent use of interior space. It's a perfect fit for city cruising or weekend getaways, especially with a small rear trunk and a front storage area for added practicality. Every inch of the interior feels thoughtfully designed and premium, yet unpretentious, just like the original. Technology is everywhere, but it doesn't scream for attention. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with voice commands that actually work. Over-the-air updates ensure your Ghia is always running the latest software. There's even an optional augmented reality heads-up display that projects speed, navigation, and safety alerts onto the windshield, adding a futuristic touch without breaking the classic vibe. In terms of safety, Volkswagen has packed this car with their latest driver assistance systems: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring all come standard. It's clear they want the Karmann Ghia to be more than just a stylish collectible. This is a real daily drivable EV with the tech to match. But perhaps the most compelling thing about the 2025 Karmann Ghia is what it represents. It's not just a new car. It's a statement from Volkswagen, a tribute to design purity, a nod to its legacy, and a bold vision for the future. In an age of oversized SUVs and aggressive hypercars, the Ghia reminds us that elegance still has a place on the road. So, who is this car for? It's for the dreamers, the design enthusiasts, the drivers who want something unique, something that makes a statement without saying a word. The 2025 Karmann Ghia isn't about following trends, it's about reviving a forgotten art form and giving it new life through technology and innovation. If you're someone who appreciates cars that are more than machine cars, that have soul, history, and a sense of purpose, then the 2025 Karmann Ghia deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Moter Vision. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a ride into the future with us. Let us know in the comments, would you drive the new Karmann Ghia, or do you prefer the original? Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your vision motoring.